So hey there everyone, back again with another video, and in this video we are gonna learn something more in Flutter. Okay, basically in our last video we just added a floating action button which takes us to a new page and gets two items, that is name and the mobile number, and adds it to our MySql database from which the data is fetched to our list view. Okay, so in this video what we are gonna do, we are gonna go to our detail page where we have two buttons, that is there is a material button and there is a delete button. There is a material button which have a edit and delete. Okay, so we have to create functionality for these two. Okay, so firstly we will go to the htdocs folder where we will open the edit data.php. Okay, and here we will pass some of the query that will execute. Okay, so firstly we have to check about the php section. Okay, and here if we will include the con.php which are for the connection data. Okay, now we will have a name. Okay, name will be as a post. Here will be a name. Okay, and then we'll have a mobile. This will be post, and it will ask for mobile. It will be a square bracket. Okay, mobile. Now what we'll do, we will go for the connection variable. It will take a query. Okay, and in this query what we are gonna do, we are gonna pass a query. Okay, what query? We are gonna pass a query like what we are gonna do, we are gonna just update. Update what was my table name? My table name was my table. Okay, my updated table, update my table. No, we have SQL query as update table my table. What is that? Let me just check. SQL, I just got confused for update. Let us go. Okay, I can also search it here also. Update, yeah, you can see this. Okay, that I was writing right. Okay, update my table, and then we can set what? We can set name is equal to single quotes and then comma, we have mobile. Okay, equal to this. Now that's right. Okay, now in this we will pass our mobile name dot to name dot, and here we will pass dot mobile. Okay, dot where. Okay, now what we will do, we can update these things using id also. Okay, we can edit these things using id, or we can edit this thing using name. Let us do it by the id. So for that we have to create something as a id variable also. Id is equal to post, and in that we will pass the id. Okay, where id is equal to and in here we will give the dot id. Okay, now I think this thing is correct. First let me just check it. copy, paste. Okay, so let name be KAR BARAR dated. Let mobile number be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and ID is equal to 1. Yeah, and let us check. Okay, so we have data updated. Okay, so it means that our code is correct. Okay, we have saved it. Now what we will do, we will just go to our this section, dot slash dash po and dash my slash what was the name, edit data dot php. Okay, so you can see that there are some and these errors will be there because we haven't defined any of these things. So we will just copy this, and firstly we have to go to here. Okay, so now what we will do, the point we click this edit section. Okay, the point we click this edit section, it will take us to a new page. Okay, so it will take us to a new page. So we will do something like this. It will take a new material page route. Okay, it will take a new navigator. Okay, yeah, navigator dot off, and after that dot push. Yeah, and in this push we will take material page route. Okay, so here will be a material page route. Come on, show me. Yeah, so here we have builder, and in this builder there will be a build context, and here we will pass a context, and it will take us to a new page, that is edit. Okay, yeah, so we have edit page. Okay, and we will give it to colon. Okay, and this edit page will take what it will take. Okay, it will take the widget list because we were working on a list. Okay, we were working on the list. Let me show you. Yeah, we were working on the list, and we will take the index. Okay, so in this there will be list. Okay, what the list will be, widget dot list. Okay, and in this, and after that we will pass the index. Okay, index will be widget dot index. Okay, so now what we will do, we will make a new page. Come on, open. Yeah, we will make a new page that will be the edit data dot dart. Okay, now in this page, edit data dot dart, we will just import some of these things like the upper things, copy, and we'll just paste it here. Okay, now we will create a stateful widget, and its name will be edit. Okay, so we will go here and we will just import these files. Okay, so now it shows the list and widget as an error because we haven't created the list and anything here. So we will give a final okay, sorry, list, and then we will give a final int index. Okay, so you can see that there are error, so we will take the constructor. Okay, and here we will pass the curly braces. Okay, because these things show error. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so we come to our new page. Okay, so let me just minimize this, and in this there is a container which we will replace by the scaffold portion, because scaffold. Okay, so in this scaffold there will be a app bar. Okay, app bar will be app bar. Okay, it will ask for a title, and title will be what will be the title? So title will be edit data for, and after that we will have this. Okay, and now we will edit the data of we will have some data like name and anything else. Okay, so widget dot list and dot what you can say name. Okay, why it's showing error? Oh, sorry. So let me remove this. Okay, let us just give this a title, or you can just give a title as a, we can just give a title as a text here. Okay, I was doing that wrong. Yeah, and here we can just pass the widget to dot list, and here we will pass the widget dot index, and after that we will pass the name. Yeah, okay, and now what we can do, we can just do this only. Okay, and in the body section, what we are gonna do, we are gonna have a list view. Okay, and in this list view there will be a children of widgets. Okay, there will be a children of widget, and which takes what you can say text field. We have two text fields. Yeah, we have two text fields. Okay, so in this text field there will be a decoration. Okay, and this decoration will be input decoration. Okay, and this will ask for a hint text. Okay, hint text will be enter name. Okay, hint text will be enter name, and after hint text there will be a label text. It will also be again the enter name. Okay, and we will just copy this line, we will just paste it here. Okay, and it will ask for enter mobile, and it will again ask for mobile. Okay, and after that we will have a button. After this we have a material button. Okay, it will have what you can say child as a text, and it will have data like edit data. Okay, so and on pressed. Okay, when that on pressed is clicked, okay, it will take us what, it will have a navigator dot off, then after that push, okay, comma, and in this what we are gonna do, we have a material page route, okay, builder build context, okay, context, and it will take us to home, okay, and we will just import it, okay. So we are done with our home page, okay, but it will edit data, okay. So for editing data we have to call a function edit data, okay, and in this edit data what we will have, we will have a var URL, okay, and this URL will be the same URL as we have here. We will copy this URL and we'll go and we'll paste the URL here, okay. And now what we will do, we will have a http dot post, and here we will pass URL as one and body as another parameter, okay. And what we will do here, what we will do here will be the okay, so it is frightening. So let us give what we want ID, okay, we want name, then we want mobile, okay. What will the ID will be the widget dot list, okay, and here with the widget dot index, yeah, I think it might not give the error. And before that we have to take two things, text editing controller, okay, C name as nothing, and we have to text editing controller as a C mobile, okay. We will take from here C name dot text, and now we will ask C mobile dot text, okay. And after this void function we will ask for a init function, we will ask to init, yep. And in this function what we are gonna do, we are gonna just cname, okay, yeah. And here what we will do, we will have text and it will ask for widget dot list, and here we will pass the widget dot index, and here we will give the name, okay, copy, and here we will paste, we will give this as C mobile, and this will be mobile, okay. So we have done, okay, yeah, we are done with our init section, and we are done with our this, okay. So it will pass the data, it will pass the ID, it will pass the name and mobile to our new section, okay. And in that we will have our work finished. Okay, so I think that we are done, but one thing we haven't given the controller. Our controller will be the C name NAME. Okay, and here there will be a controller also, it will be C mobile. Okay, so it's done. Yeah, and let us also finish the delete part of the MySql. So we will go to the delete part also, and here what we will do, we will just create another PHP function. Come on, open. Yeah, it's open. So here we will pass the PHP code. Okay, here we will include the con.php. okay, we will call the con function and the query part. Okay, and here what we will pass the delete from my table. Okay, we are gonna delete everything where id is equal to id is equal to dot id dot. Okay, and we are gonna create something post, and here will be the id. Okay, so we are done. We'll just save it. Okay, so yeah, we have done to some point something. Okay, so we will go to our this section, and here when we in the detail section we have a confirm button. This takes us to this point, and here what we will do, we will just delete the data. How we can delete the data? We can delete the data by just id, because we have created a data by using the white showing error in edit data. What's the error? We have a error here. Where is the error? Okay, yep, so now it's removed. Okay, so we are in the detail section. Okay, so we have list and index as the input. Okay, so in this, okay, in this delete section, what it is gonna ask, it is gonna ask us for a confirmation. Okay, either we wanna delete something or not. Okay, so we will have a alert box, alert dialog. Okay, and we will give it ad as a alert dialog. Okay, let us give this only as a new alert dialog box. Okay, and it will ask for a title, or you can give it a content. Okay, content will be a text. Okay, it will ask for are you sure? Okay, and after this, okay, it will have a action widget. Okay, and this action widget will have two button, material button. Okay, we will create another material button afterwards. Okay, and it will ask for child, and child will be okay, delete, and it will have a function. Okay, so on pressed, yep, and this will again have a same thing, cancel. Okay, when this button is pressed, okay, what it will do, when this button is pressed, it will take us to a new page. So let me just copy this Yeah, copy, and when this button is pressed it gives us this. Yeah, so it will take us to, when the button is pressed it will take us to home page. Okay, when the data is deleted, then home. Okay, so yeah, it's imported. Okay, so but before that it will also call a delete function. Okay, it will call a delete function which is not created yet. Okay, so we will create that now here. Okay, void delete. Okay, so what now we are gonna do, we are gonna edit this as delete data. So let's see, yeah, it's showing about the id. So let us copy, and we will have a variable url, and we will paste the data here. Okay, now what we are gonna do is http dot post. Okay, it has url as the input and body as another parameter. Yeah, okay, it will take id as one input, id. Okay, so what are we gonna delete? We are gonna delete the widget. Okay, we have widget dot list. Okay, and in that we are will pass a widget dot index. Okay, so this is it. When we click the button it will ask for something and it will take us to the new page. Okay, so let's hope and let's see will it work. Okay, let me first see is everything correct. It is not showing any of the error. It's not showing any error. It's also not showing any error. So let me just plug in my device. Okay, as you all know that I am always using a real device. I don't use any of the emulator. So let me go to my additional section and open the developer option. Yeah. So now you can see that my device has been connected. Okay, yeah, you can see that my device has been connected. Okay, so let us run and see what the output comes. Okay, so 1 second. Okay, 3 2 and 1. Okay, so it is running. Okay, so we will just wait for few seconds. Okay, so basically what does our PHP does is that it creates a page which takes the data as a post argument. Okay, so now what is our Flutter app is doing, that it is sending the data to that URL as a post format. Okay, if the data does not go as a post format, we can directly call the we can directly call our URL in the get format using the what you can say question mark and anything. If you know about the PHP, you know about the get and post methods, you can relate it to that. Okay, but we are sending our data in a encrypted format, or you can say we are not in an encrypted format, we are using the post method. That's why we have to send it like this. Okay, so it will just take a few seconds. And guys, make sure to like the video, share this video to your friends. Okay, because the point you like the video, it boosts up my confidence, and I think that I'm making a good video for you all. Okay, so just please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Okay, and also please go to the GitHub repository for the full code. Okay, if you want the full code, okay, you can visit my full code in my GitHub repository. The link will be in the description, and also you can like our code cave page on the Facebook. Okay, and the link of that page will be in the description also. Okay, all the screenshots will be uploaded there also. Okay, and guys, make sure to comment down in the comment section how much you like the video, and if you don't like anything in the video, please also tell us, because it help us to modify our videos and create good content for you. Okay, and if you want anything else to be made, okay, please write down in the comment section and I will definitely get back to you on that. Okay, like anything other, please don't say to make anything on iOS or anything, because I don't have a Mac. Okay, but in anything like others, like web development or Java or PHP, anything that you like, make sure I will definitely get back to you on that. Okay, so you can see that now it has resolved all the dependency. Now it will build the Gradle part, and I will cut some of the video part of the video so that you don't feel bored. Okay, so let's meet up after the app has been installed. Okay, been built and it's installing the APK in my phone. So now you can see that it will sync the data, or you can say sync my device and my laptop for the hot reload and other processes, debugging, etc. So we will just see the preview of our app in my phone. So just wait a few seconds. Now it will sync the data. Come on, sync. Yeah, it will sync the data, and you can see that the app bar, it is fetching data. You can see that we have data. Okay, so let me show our previous work, that is this. We will add some of the data. Okay, so let me give a new name. New name will be let me give something like, what you can say, Tom Cruise, Tom and Jerry, let it be. And now we will give 1 2 3 add data. Okay, what? Yeah, you can see that the data is here, Tom and Jerry. Okay, okay, so now we will go to this Akshu and we will edit the data. Yeah, you can see that we have fetched data all. Now we will edit the mobile number. We will edit as 1 2 3 4 5 6. We click on the edit data. What it has done, it hasn't edited. let me again. Okay, let us give it as 111 111. Okay, so it's not editing the data. So let's see why it's not editing. Okay, let me check. Will it delete? It also not, the delete function is also not working. Okay, so let's us firstly check the this portion. What does it says? Edit dot. Yeah, http post. Let me just give it ID. Let me just rerun it. Okay, let's see. It's performing a hot restart. So you can see that we have data. Okay, so let me go to this Akshu part, edit. We have 333. Let me give it as 1, edit. No. Once again, 1. Yeah, it just edited the my previous work also. Yeah, you can see that, but yeah, it may be because we are because of my internet speed also. Okay, so let me change this AA as my edited name, edit data. Yeah, okay, so you can see that the data is updating. Okay, so let me just remove this Tom and Jerry. Okay, delete. Why it is not going to delete section? Okay, so let me go to the let me just minimize this. Let me go to this. What happened when we click on this on press? It will take us to the confirm. Why is this not showing? Let's just why it is not showing us the we have this material button when confirmed. Come on, 1 second. What we will do? We have addressed here. Why it is not showing us? Come on, let me just convert this to this. like this, and let's see. I think because of the parenthesis it was showing error. I think it was the reason. Let me check. And this video might be a little bit wrong, guys, so please cope up. Okay, you can see that there are some things. Okay, that is the dot feature that is added. Okay, the point I click. Okay, just leave it. I know the data is being edited. Okay, so let me just click the done. Okay, it's not taking the delete part. Why? Let me just stop this and just rerun it. It has stopped the progress, and now let me just rerun it, and I will cut this some of the parts. Okay, so guys, I think I have found the error. Can you tell me what was the error? The error was that I just made the alert dialog box, but I was not calling the alert dialog box. Because of that, the error was that the button was not actually calling. It was calling the confirm function, but it was not showing the alert dialog box because we were not calling the alert function. Okay, that is, we are not calling the show dialog box function. I think I am the most stupid person. Okay, let it install once again, and after that we will edit these things, because we have seen that our edit data is working properly, and our fetch data is working perfectly, and our add data is working perfectly. This is our last thing, that is how to delete a data. So let's move further. Okay, let it install completely. Okay, so my bar. Okay, there are things. Okay, so now what we will do, in the comment section we will just call the show dialog box. Okay, come on. Yeah, show dialog. Okay, and this show dialog box takes two things as a input: one, context, and second one it takes child, and child will be alert dialog box. Okay, now we will hot reload it. Okay, now we are hot reloading it. There is one thing more error, that is we should pass the id section here also. Yeah, that was also the error. Okay, let me rerun it again. So now we will see the output. Okay, so this is our main screen. It takes us to a new page. Okay, and here this is a Tom and Jerry. So let me remove this Tom and Jerry, delete. It shows us two things, okay, delete and cancel. As we click cancel, it does nothing because we haven't added anything. Okay, the point we click okay delete, it takes us to a new page, but our Tom and Jerry section is, yeah, it deleted. The point it shows the, that's because it is not refreshing it. Okay, let me remove the John Abraham. Okay, delete. It's not deleting, but it has deleted. Okay, you can see that. So let me show you my MySql database also. Come on, open. It has deleted the John Abraham part also. Okay, this was John Abraham, but let me just refresh it. Okay, so let's see. What is your, please check the network connectivity and server status. I don't think so. Okay, let me open the server again. But as you know that guys, the data we are fetching is basically from the server. So if it shows nothing, it means that there is, the data has been deleted. Okay, it means that our MySql queries are working perfectly. Okay, so that's all for today guys. My internet has gone, I don't know, I think my Wi-Fi is not working properly. Okay, I think my Wi-Fi is not working properly, that's why it's not showing error. As you can see that it is not even loading my local web page. Okay, as it seems. Okay, let it be, but you can know that the data has been deleted. Okay, so that's all for today guys. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice